What's happening, guys? I'm Scott Norton, and you're watching Crystal Water Fishing. I don't know if any of you people noticed this year, it's rained about every Saturday this year, so far in spring. And I've been working through the week, and it seems to be great weather when you work. But as soon as you get off work, it rains. So, in order to get around this kind of deal, what I'm having to do is I work a night shift. So, what I've been doing is as soon as I get off work, I go to the lake. I don't even get no sleep, so I'll go 48 hours no sleep. Or no, 36 hours no sleep. And it'll beat you up pretty good, but at least I can get there when it counts. Now today, it looks like we got a high of 60 degrees, a low of 50, and it's cloudy skies all day long. I don't know about you, but I'm hoping it's gonna be a good day. So, I'm hoping it'll be power fishing all day long. And last time I was there, we run across the very first group coming in to make beds. And there were very few of them. You would see maybe one or two on a whole bank or in a cove. So I'm hoping 2 weeks later that this thing will turn on finally. So I remember about this time a couple years ago, I caught a whole bunch of big fish. I'm talking probably, I think I broke my my PB that time too. I know I landed a couple of double-digit fish and a bunch of like 6 to 8 pound bass. This time I brought a scale with me. Last time all I had was, you know, just the measurement on my paddle. So I try to keep it as minimal as possible so I'm not carrying you know, useless weight when I'm dragging something through the woods, you know, long distance. When you hike a kayak in, you got to keep it as light as possible. Don't even think about taking things you're not even going to use. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. Maybe everything will turn out really good today and get you guys on a good adventure. And I'll get back to you and we'll see what happens. We are recording. Oh damn. I was gonna bring it back here. And I can't now. Yeah, I'd say the Slayer was much more suitable. But dead calm out. I need a freaking something a little more subtle than that, really. But weedless. I just need a little one. Oh, I got a good one. Oh my gosh, dude. I got a damn good one. Ooh, what is it? Big old bass. Yeah. I got a big old bass. Ooh, she's stripping line. She's stripping line, boys. I don't want to straighten her out. That's how I lost the last big one. Come on. Daggone. This sucker's pulling good too. Oh, it's in some cover. Damn. I got a decent one on. She's gonna get me. Damn. I can feel her. She's getting me into that. Damn, that sucks. Oh man, that's a big old bass. Oh, she's still on there. Okay. Good deal, good deal. Damn, that's a big old bass, dude. Dude, that's a big girl. Hell, I don't even know if she's on there anymore. Damn, that was a big fish. She's on there, she's on there. Come on out, come on out. Oh my God, dude. That's a gigantic bass. Oh my gosh. This one, I've got to take my time with her, boy. I've got to take my time with this one. Oh Lord. She's got me in the junk. Come on. Daggone, that's a big old bass. Come on. Come on. She's got me in the freaking weed or in the brush. Gosh, she is under that shit, dude. Oh, there she is. That is a big bass. That is a honking bass. Cool. I see her down there. Man, how do I get out from under that? Man, I think she's still on it too. Quite sure. I've got to get out from that current there. Oh, I'm all wrapped up in that bullshit right there. Man, that's a big old bass. Yeah, that's definitely a double digit. She's still on, daggone it. Dang, dude. Talk about getting me. Man, she's smart. Yeah, I don't know. I can't see how it is in there. is not too good. Fuck. What am I gonna do? Oh my gosh, it's such a big old bass. Holy smokies. I can't see what I'm doing. Fucking ripples. There's nothing I can do. That is just great. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. I'm about to flip my damn kayak over. I can't see it. Alright, well. Ooh. That's a gnarly one. That's a gnarly fish. Okay. Now she can just swim her way around that. Come on. Can't see her now. Okay, I see her. Oh. Well, I had her on. Dang, what a fight. God, that thing was big. That might have been a trout. Oh, yeah, that's a trout. Got him. Yes. Ooh, I think there's a breeding pair on there too. Yes, I got me I got a good one. Golly. Alright. Finally. Whew. I'm glad I done that. Oh my goodness. There's a nice one. Oh, I've got a foul hook, dude. There's a big one. Well, I guess that happens. Well, I thought it was bigger than what it was, but it's still good. That's still nice. A couple pounds at least. Yeah. Oh man, great. Great. Come here. See your gill. There we go. All right. Not too shabby. Golly. No wonder that felt funny. Yeah, not too bad.